Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Unyks Star Magic Plus Warm Bag. This is basically a gel bag that you can warm and then use it for therapeutic purposes. A lot of information and features mentioned. It says it's small, easy to carry and easy to use. It eliminates muscle fatigue, improve blood circulation. Magic Plus brand warm bag, heat up fast, last for a long time. If charged for 8 to 12 minutes, it can sustain exothermic heat for 2 to 8 hours. It is ideal a warm-up appliance. Okay, there's some information on the back as well. It says, first please plug in the power cord and then switch on power. The normal charging time is 8 to 12 minutes. It will start charging when the red light is on. Red light will be off when fully charged. When bag surface rise up during charging, please cut off power immediately. Speaking of which, it says that when the item is in normal use, the bag size exceeds the original size is 1/4 or 1/3. So please discharge air in bag. That's more or less it. It also tells us to keep it away from children, and a lot of precautions as well, like dry heat is prohibited, do not use sharp objects, do not put pressure. When hot water bag leak, please stop using, etc. A lot of information. I'm going to open this and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you'll find inside the bag. This is the power cable for this particular warm bag. As you can see, this is the part that will connect to the bag, and this is a 2-pin plug to connect to a power source. And yeah, this is the warm bag in question. This is the Unyks Star Magic Plus warm bag. It has a layer of gel inside, which gives it this squishy volume. So this is not charged right now. By the way, this is the LED indicator, and you charge it through here. Let me see if I can open it. I don't know how to open this. Okay, okay, so you just remove it like so, and there you go. That's your charging port right over there. It comes with this multicolored floral print on it, and it's not the heaviest one. It's actually pretty light. This is primarily for therapeutic use. If you have, say, sore muscle, sore muscle or sore joint or something like that, you just want to feel some warmth during the winter, this is a good addition for all of that. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Unyks Star Magic Plus warm bag. Thank you for watching.